Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of juggling multiple appliances to cook different foods at the same time, dealing with uneven cooking in your old air fryer, or just want a smarter way to make crispy fries, roasted veggies, and juicy chicken without the oil mess of traditional frying, then get pumped because today we're air frying into a kitchen powerhouse. It's the Ninja Foodi 10-quart DualZone Smart XL air fryer. This beast has two independent 5-quart baskets for cooking two foods two ways simultaneously, a built-in smart thermometer for perfect doneness, and 6 functions like air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you cook for families or love meal prepping with less oil and faster times, this air fryer will revolutionize your kitchen and make healthy eating tastier than ever. Let's break it down and see why it's a smart buy in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the Ninja Foodi 10-quart DualZone Smart XL air fryer. This is a 6-in-1 appliance with a massive 10-quart capacity split into 2 independent 5-quart baskets, each with its own cyclonic fan and rapid heater for even cooking without mixing flavors. The DualZone technology lets you use Smart Finish to have both baskets ready at the same time, even if cooking different foods at different temps or times. Or match cook to duplicate settings across zones for full capacity meals, like 8 pounds of wings. The Standout is the integrated Foodi Smart Thermometer. Plug it in to monitor doneness from rare to well done without guesswork, and it alerts you when perfect. It has IQ Boost to distribute power optimally for up to 30% faster cooking, like 2 6-pound chickens quicker than an oven. The temperature range is 105 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit with 1,690 watts of power for quick preheat. The baskets and crisper plates are non-stick and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, and the unit is compact at 17.1 inches deep, 13.9 wide, 12.8 high, weighing about 19.8 pounds. It fits on counters without dominating space. Setup is simple. Unpack, plug in, and start cooking. No assembly needed. Priced around $235, it includes a 15-recipe guide to get you started, and it's designed for healthier meals with up to 75% less fat than deep frying. Versatility is huge. Air fry for crispy textures, roast meats and veggies, bake desserts, broil for that char, reheat leftovers like new, or dehydrate fruits and jerky. The Smart Thermometer works with proteins for precise results, and the dual baskets mean no more waiting turns for sides and mains. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are frying high, dual independent baskets for multitasking without flavour crossover, smart thermometer for foolproof doneness every time, fast cooking with IQ Boost that saves time, easy cleanup with dishwasher safe parts, and versatile 6 functions that replace multiple appliances. Users love how it cooks evenly, reduces oil use for healthier meals, and the large capacity feeds families or parties effortlessly. It's quiet, user-friendly, and delivers restaurant-quality results at home. On the con side, the size might be too big for very small kitchens or counters. Some note occasional uneven heating if not rotated, cook times can be longer for frozen items than advertised, and a few mention the baskets are a bit small individually for very large portions, though the total 10 quarts handles most needs. Overall, pros dominate for multitaskers. My recommendation? Absolutely. Go for the Ninja Foodi 10-quart DualZone Smart XL air fryer if you cook multiple items often, and the pros like smart cooking, dual zones, and easy clean make sense for your lifestyle. It's ideal for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone wanting healthier, faster air frying without the guesswork. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your kitchen cooking, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a cooking friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.